just a normal day. Rainshine?
Hey. How are you doing? Stormy?
Nothing.
Don't be rude. Do you have any food?
I have marshmallows.
Ooh, cool. Give me your marshmallows.
Rainshine, don't you think that's kind of weird?
Nah.
Let me grab one.
Are you always cheating?
Oh, wow. Nice joke.
You know what I've been doing on the recorder?
You get
I
one.
think this.
You get one. I want two.
So this is kind of like a shark is. You're supposed to do it like that, but I do it like that. But whatever.
The only thing that ever helped, did that help you in your education at school?
Maybe.
The only thing it helped me do was summon demons with
Okay.
flute.
Not even
Recording music.
properly. Wait. Hey. That's odd, but whatever.
It looks like you were about to shove it into your eye.
Just shoves into eye.
Rainshine is weird. Teehee.
You're weird. You're the one who sings.
No.
Well, you're the one who never shows their face. At school.
What? How dare you?
Whatever.
I'm never hiding anything.
Last week you literally stole all our s'mores when we went fishing at night.
What does that have to do with hiding?
Yeah, when we put all our s'mores down at the table when we went fishing, except for you, because you said, "Oh, well, I'm gonna stay back here," and I was like,
Well, I didn't
"Sus."
say it like you are, you little bitch.
How dare you? This is a family-friendly channel.
Oh no.
You should believe that.
Yes. Do you think me as Stormy would
And
even
plus,
care?
You and Holt's been going around, right?
Yeah.
All the stores are gone.
It's a beautiful day, right?
Yeah.
Nice and rainy.
Wow.